Good afternoon. My name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today we're going to discuss about the ordinary dismissal with the labor attorney Jung Bong-soo. So I understand that there was an incident recently about that case, the ordinary dismissal. Can you explain about this particular case?
Yeah, okay. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'd like to introduce one ordinary dismissal case. One of my retained corporate client asked me about one legal question. So they have one employee who had an accident that is not related to work, but it happened the end of the May. So, but this employee has the fixed term contract, so his contract will expire in 2 months later. But his the traffic accident, it was very severe, so he has to take hospitalized for 12 weeks. So in this case, the HR manager asked me how to solve or how to terminate this employment case very smoothly without any legal dispute. So I told the company he cannot come to the work due to the reason attributed to his accident. So in this case, this is his fault. According to the meaning of employment contract, employee provide labor service, in return for that employer pay wages. So employee's main duty is to provide the labor service, but because of his the traffic accident, he could not work for remaining period of his contract. So in this case, this will be a reason for justifiable termination. So we call it ordinary dismissal. Yeah.
I see. So from the company's point of view, because this worker came across with the accident during his private activities, but in case, for example, in case there was an accident during the working hour, does the employee get benefit from the industrial accident insurance program?
Yeah, that's right. If the traffic accident happened during the working hour period, usually it is regarded the employee was engaged in such an accident that is related to the work provision. Also, we since 2018 we have the accident coverage for commuting the time. So within 2 hours after work, when employee returning to home, then employee had a car or traffic accident, then there is reason for some treatment by the industrial accident compensation insurance. So it's during the commuting period, the accident is regarded as a work-related accident. But this case, after employee finished the work, then he was engaged in other private things, not returning to his home. So it cannot be related with the work. So this case, company is not responsible for any compensation in this case. Yeah.
I see. So you explained about the employer's position, but in case of the worker's position, because he had a sudden accident, although it was during his private activities, if he is dismissed by the company, then what would be his next move in order to be employed to another company after the treatment?
Okay. Yeah, I think this employee need to ask the company. So if a company decide to terminate this employment contract, so employee cannot take any legal action for remedy process, because this is a reason attributed to this employee's accident. So in this case, employee need to ask company like he could resign this job due to the accident that is not intentional. So like when this contract is terminated, he need to report to the like a job center where he can apply for unemployment benefit after he recovered from accident. Then until he can get a job, he can receive some unemployment benefit from the government. So the unemployment benefit can be 4 months minimum, maximum it can be a 9 months period. So it will be very helpful while he will be engaged in preparation for a new job. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much. Do you have any other comment to make?
So in this case, the company also pay attention how to handle this case. When company decide to terminate this employment contract, company should inform 30 days in advance, or company should pay 1 month additional pay for non-notice. Also, in this the notice contract or notice documentation, company should follow legal requirement according to the Article 27. In this, the written notification must include the effective day and reason for termination. Then this termination process will be accepted without any legal risk. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.